guys, just a quick little check-in here before I start the meat and potatoes of the video. I'm going to give you guys my prediction for the Oregon-Penn State game today. But kind of a little grab bag today. Not much going on. Saturday, took the family out to lunch. I'm back now, just waiting for that football game to start. But kind of funny. What was it? Was it 2 days ago? HVAC guy Curtis had, I think his name's Rick, HVAC Survival or whatever. And I was on there for maybe like 15 minutes watching them chatting with each other. And for some reason, last night my brain went to a dream that I was over at Rick's house, and he was best friends with my brother, which they've never met. My brother lives over here in Oregon. I don't know where Rick is. I'm assuming he's somewhere down in the South. Or Midwest or something. But I had a dream. I was over at his house. I ended up sleeping on the floor in his basement. But I just thought that was kind of weird. And why your brain does this type of stuff, I don't know the guy from Adam. I only seen him for about 15 minutes. I've never even watched any of his videos, and all of a sudden he's in my dream. So I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm thinking about HVAC all the time, and when I shut my eyes and go to sleep, I'm thinking about HVAC. So whatever the last thing HVAC I saw before I go to sleep, that's what I dream about. I don't know. I just happen to remember this one because it was a real long dream too. It's one of those ones where you know you were asleep for a couple hours and it filled up that whole time. But yeah, real strange. So yeah, I got my prediction coming up. Just like I said, just a little grab bag today. Got my Shining shirt on, best movie of all time, of course. Um, I'll reference this in the second part of the video, the Trump stuff. But hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful Saturday. Hopefully work's picking up. I'm really slow right now, which is not normally the case. But hey, I'll take it. I'm relaxing. I'm having fun. I'm getting to spend more time with family, getting some stuff done around the house. So anyway, enjoy your Saturday. Here comes the meat and potatoes of the video. Hey guys, happy Saturday. I don't have anything HVAC related today. I've just been out doing some mowing the lawn, doing some yard work and stuff. But wanted to really quickly, whether you care about that on my channel or not, I'm going to do my prediction for the Oregon-Penn State game right now. And I know there's a lot of you out there that have skin in the game for this. Or even if you don't, you probably still like college football and you like these types of matchups. Number 6 Oregon against number three Penn State, which I think that should actually be flipped around. But hey, that's what I think. I'm a born and raised Oregonian. You can call me a douchebag Oregon Ducks fan, whatever you want. I don't go for any of that crap. I'm not your diehard. I mean, I'm a diehard fan, but I'm not your douchebag. We can do no wrong, etc. Oregon Ducks fan, the type that everybody hates. But I'm going to give you my quick prediction here. Sorry, my nose is right. I'm mowing the lawn. Got a bunch of grass clippings up my nose. But just having a good time. I got my Shining shirt on. Best movie that there ever was. You can hate me if I got a Trump sticker back there, the Trump calendar, whatever. It's all in good fun. It's not to be taken seriously. Life is supposed to be fun, regardless of our differences. Whatever you like, whatever you don't like, whatever. I don't really care about any of that stuff. Really don't. So, Oregon, Penn State. I think we go up. We being Oregon, the Ducks, probably go up by about 2 touchdowns early. I think it's going to be 17-3, maybe 14-0. Maybe it's 21-7, something like that at halftime. Penn State's going to rally in the second half. I'm thinking it's probably going to end up being first one probably to 35 wins it. So I'm going to go 35-31 Oregon. And it might be more like 35-24 Oregon. Just depends on if Penn State's got their offense clicking. I know their defense is pretty tough. I honestly don't know a ton about Penn State other than their quarterback, Drew Alar, whatever his name is. I know he's been inconsistent in his college career, so let's hope that he's inconsistent today. He's having one of his off games. But I'm going to go 35-31. That's my final prediction. And you guys tell me what you think. I know there's a lot of Duck haters out there, so give me your Penn State 40-10 predictions, whatever you want. But this is a solid Oregon Ducks team, and just like they have every year now. So 35 Oregon Ducks, 31 Penn State Nittany Lion. I have no idea what a Nittany Lion is either, so maybe educate me on that. So there's my prediction.